Welcome, and today we're going to be talking and exploring the master community of Sienna. Where is Sienna located? Sienna is located north from Highway 6, also located next to Sugarland and approximately 10 to 15 minutes from Houston, depending where you're coming from. And with that being said, my name is Dany Lopez. I am your local Houston realtor. I service all of Houston and surrounding cities. The model home that we're going to be viewing today is HistoryMaker Homes. The spec of this home is 1,753 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. This particular model home is not a single family home. This is considered a townhouse. So HistoryMaker Home has built this particular model for the master community of Sienna. So with that being said, let's go ahead and check this model home. Here are some of Sienna Community has to offer. When it comes to activity, they offer a ton, from kickball league to a cornhole league. Activities from toddlers to elderlies. Here's just a few things: a fitness center, playground and splash pad for the kiddos, a resort style pool, a lakeside patio and fire pit, hike and bike trails with over 160 acres, a sport complex. Also, Sienna Club holds all activities all year round for all ages. Oh yes, and of course, there is over 15 plus different parks. Hey guys, welcome back. So tell me which part of the house, which area was most astonishing for you. Let me know in the comments. Remember, if you have any questions how to get started, please feel free to reach out. You could put a comment, DM me directly, send me an email. For those who wants to reach out to me directly, my number is 832-543-1156. Please like and follow. It helps my channel grow and expanding the good news of purchasing a home. That's all guys. I appreciate. Till next time, God bless.